Okay. And putting the artwork and lights on is really simple. There's two lights. They open like this, like a little Pac-Man guy. Inside there's two little strips of Velcro, and your double will be shipped with like Velcro right here at the perfect length of the advertisement that we're going to hang on it. So when it's complete, you'll put the two lights on the top pointing down and lights on the bottom pointing up to illuminate the advertisement. You want to put the Pac-Man guy on towards the back. It doesn't really matter, but I've gotten into the, what's the word? We're gonna have to redo this one. What's the word? The habit of putting it on this way so I always know where the lights are at. So the lights are on the left for the top one, and they're on the right for the bottom one. There's a little clicker right there and a slider on each one. Turn on the lights, and then the wrap simply wraps around. You just center it on there, find your Velcro on the top and the bottom, and wrap it around. Ensuring that you have a snug fit all the way around. And there it is, the art's on. And that's how it goes.